The measure of the interior angles in a polygon are consecutive integers. Smallest angle is 136. How many sides does this polygon have? So to understand this question, imagine a triangle, okay? A triangle has the sum of the angles 180. It says that the interior angles are consecutive integers, so it would be, I don't know, 59, 60, and 61. This would be a triangle with the interior angles in less consecutive integers. Okay, so let us erase this, and if there was a not a square, but because it would be different angles, that would be kind of impossible, you know. It would be 89.5 and 88.5, whatever. The point here is we will try to find the number of sides a polygon will have to with where the smallest angle is 136. That will be a little hard for us, but we can solve this in a different way. When we have a polygon, the inside angles of a triangle is 180. If it was a square, that would be 90, 90, 99. It would be 360. If we have a pentagon, each angle would be 72 plus 5. So each polygon has a different amount of a number of the sum in the interior angles, but if we sum the adjacent angles with some this and this angle, it will always be 350. If we sum this angle, this and this, will be 360. If you do the same here, 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 and here, if you sum this angle here, not this will be 360. Okay, let us erase this again. Now we're gonna start to solve the question. Okay, the question says the smallest angle is 136. So I don't know how many sides this polygon have, but the adjacent angle will be 180 minus 136. Why? Because no matter when I talk the angle, this angle is going to be 136, and the adjacent will be enough to reach 180. Okay, so it's going to be 44. I have a triangle, a polygon here, where the greatest angle would be 44, and so this is going to be 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, and so on. Okay, everybody got this? We can, and summing all this, you're gonna find 360. Remember, because the sum of the adjacent number is gonna be 360. So we will just have to sum this, add 1 to 1 to try to find it. So the hint here is just pick if we choose a odd number to make the calculation, it's gonna be easy to find. For example, let's take the smallest average would be, let's pick 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the average number, 40. If we sum this, it's gonna be 40 plus 2, because 41, 39 is 40 plus 2, and that will be the same if you took any number like that. So we're gonna have 40 plus 2 4 times plus 40. Okay, that will be 80 plus 2 plus 4, 8, 2, 360. So with 9 sides, we find that it match 360. In this case, we just guess right, okay? But if you do in the different way, for example, 11, the average would be, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 35, 34, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with 39, summing those two with 39 plus 2, and so on. We would have 5 will be 39 plus 2 plus 5 plus 39. And this is maybe may not seem so easy, but it's easier to find this with this rule. The most important thing here is to remember this rule of the polygon, okay? That is, maybe we'll not remember the number of the sum of the angles in the polygon, but the adjacent angles have to be 360, and knowing this would be easier for you if you don't know how to solve it to try each of these values here. And another thing, another hint here for you, every time you have to try different numbers, try picking an average number, an easy number in the average. For example, if we try to, we did with 9, but if we tried with 10, we would have a value that would not be okay, and we just check if it would have to be a higher number or a lower number. Starting with an average number, just eliminate one of these that's points, that's extremes. So that would be easier for you to find the value or to guess the value. Maybe if you don't have time, imagine you just check this is your last question and you tried with 10 and you didn't get the answer, but we just found that we have to choose a smaller number. If you don't know, you have to guess, but you just know that 10 is big enough, is so big that will not be easy, and you will have to choose between those two numbers. So we just improve your average, your guess, your chance to answer correctly in a guess from 20% to 50%. Okay, thank you.